Hey everyone, welcome to Review Nation. Buying a product online is not that easy when you need something reliable, functional, and affordable at the same time, and it's challenging to find the right one. First, there are thousands of portable blenders you could choose from. Then comes figuring out which brand would be right for you. How many brands are available? Thousands and more popping up every day. Thirdly, you need to consider what sort of price range your budget can accommodate. Lastly, you need to consider if they will all be shipped to you in time. So, buying something online is pretty easy, but finding the perfect product is not an easy job. From thousands of products available, and to choose the best portable blender is a hell of a task. To save your time and effort, we have created a list of the top 5 best portable blender reviews for you. We have researched many products, and finally, we decided on the top 5 best portable blender available now. We hope you will find this list very helpful in choosing your favorite product easily. If you want to see the price and find out more information about the products, be sure to check the links in the description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender. KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender is part of the company's Cordless collection series, which also includes hand mixers and food processors, the company's newest and most popular immersion blender. It's a huge leap from its corded predecessor, the KitchenAid 2-speed hand blender. Aside from cutting the cord, its usability has also been dramatically improved. The cord cutting trend has finally caught up with the small kitchen appliances. A lot of products are going wireless, including personal blenders. I would say that it's highly useful for devices such as an immersion blender. Without a cord, you'll be able to use your stick blender more efficiently, that is as long as the battery is full. The KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender is one of the best rechargeable stick blending machines in the market. It features an 8-inch stainless steel wand with a non-scratch pane guard attachment. Apart from keeping your Teflon-coated cookware free from scratch, the KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender also offers a range of food processing accessories. Without a doubt, the KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender is one of the best out there. It's a high-end product with an affordable price tag. Number 2. BlenderX Cordless Portable Blender. The BlenderX Cordless Portable Blender is a great choice for making smoothies that use ice, because it's almost as powerful as your home blender. It's actually one of the most powerful portable blenders you'll find. Another one of the specs that makes this a great blender is the size. The jar is 20 ounces, which is larger than most portable jars, so you can mix up more at one time in this blender. A single charge can last up to 2 weeks, depending on how often you use it. A single charge can manage about 13 blends. The battery is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It will recharge in about 3 to 5 hours. If you're not using it regularly, you should charge the lithium battery every couple months to keep it in working condition. To clean it, the best method is to add water and a small amount of soap and blend. This will clean all of the parts easily and quickly. Not all of the parts are removable, so you can't individually clean each piece. Number 3. Hotsch Personal Size Blender. This battery-operated blender is great for having at a camping site. As it's a USB blender, it has a built-in 4000 mAh battery that can be rechargeable with a power bank. You can even charge it via a computer. Usually, it charges completely in about 3 hours and can make 15 cups of drinks in one charge. Experiences about the longevity of the battery vary, however, and it may not be strong enough to use the battery to crush ice. It boasts a 13.5 ounces cup and weighs about 0.5 kilograms. It has a 150-watt power motor with a 7.4 volt. It features a 1 button for convenience and holds enough strength to make smoothies really fast. It's BPA-free, and the blades are stainless steel. Number 4. Cuisinart RPB100 EvolutionX Cordless Portable Blender. Cuisinart's EvolutionX Cordless Rechargeable Compact Blender is small but powerful, as the company says it features full-size, professional performance. The blender has 7.4 volts of power and reaches 15,000 RPM and is strong enough to crush ice but can also carry out gentle mixing such as pureeing soups and smoothies. This compact and convenient blender allows you to make tasty and nutritious fruit-based smoothies anytime, anywhere. All you need to do is fill the juice cup with small chunks of your fruits and water. Then place them at the bottom of the impressive, robust motorized machine. Afterward, close the lid, push and hold the switch for minutes. This powerful blender will take care of the rest. This model comes with a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, and each full charge can serve you numerous sessions. Therefore, it is unsurprising that this model is the ideal choice for many backpackers and frequent travelers. The recharge time is typically about 3 hours, allowing it to return to serving you again quickly. Sometimes, I find its charging time is only 2.5 hours. This blender is packaged with stainless steel blades that are long-lasting and powerful. A USB connector and a 380 mL juicer cup are included. Number 5. PopBabies Personal Blender. The PopBabies portable blender comes with a small ice tray, is USB rechargeable, has a stainless steel frame, and is dishwasher safe. This PopBabies personal blender is BPA free and can make smoothies and baby food, and may be the best portable blender for travel. Read this review to know what makes it one of the best blenders today. Even though portable blenders like this one use battery life power of only 7.4 V, it can still crush frozen fruits and shakes and make baby food. Definitely has some good power for a mini blender. Much like the Nutribullet at 600 watt. Like with the Ninja Personal Blender, you're getting multiple speed choices for this small blender to make your food grade material. In fact, this device, USB charge, gives you enough speed to make this a portable smoothie blender. The durability of this device makes this an excellent travel blender. PopBabies' compact design allows you to use this as an on-the-go blender. Blend wherever you are. There are many different versatile uses for this blender. Personal recipes and smoothies can be easily made, and the cup is an attachment that can be taken anywhere you want. That's all from my end. I make helpful review videos daily, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. If you need more information or if you want to know the price or any available discount, please check the links in my description. For any kind of problems, please comment below. Stay tuned with us for updated reviews on the best products. It will save time and money. See you later in our future videos.